These two women were neighbors. The woman in white is Janet, and I don't know the other woman's name, but they were neighbors. Janet was married, and the woman in red, the girl in red, was having an affair with Janet's husband. I don't know if Janet knew about the affair or not, but the girlfriend got pregnant. After getting pregnant, she told the boyfriend, and he didn't want anything to do with it. He suddenly realized or remembered he was married. So this girl told her parents she's pregnant and he doesn't want anything to do with it. So her mother, 50-year-old mother called Christine, came up with a plan. And the plan was to get rid of the wife, because she thought the wife is the one causing the husband not to get serious with her daughter. So she asked a 14-year-old girl that was living with Janet to put poison in her food. So she gave this girl poison, and this girl, for some reason, obliged and put poison in Janet's food. Janet ate it and she died. So now it's all come to light, because the girl has come clean and said, I'm the one who put poison. That woman, the neighbor, gave me poison because she wants her daughter, who's been having an affair with uncle, to marry uncle. So here's what women do. You know, she was not party to the affair. The wife, she was just a wife, and this girl kills her because she wants the husband. Why would you do that to a fellow woman? If you've got problems with a man you're having an affair with, which you shouldn't even do that, you know, have issues among yourself, you and the man you're having an affair with. This girl now, Janet, has left two very little children, and I don't even know if she even knows why she died. Well, if she would have known why she died, but it's very unfortunate and it's very unfair. So people need to think. These people are now being held in prison. This is so bad and so hard for Janet's family to take and accept. The worst part is that man that this girl's killed for, in less than a year or in a year, he'll have another woman by his side, and he's going to go on as if nothing ever happened. Ladies,